Here's how you can completely remove apps from your iPhone. Let's say I want to delete the Facebook app. To do that, I'll press and hold the Facebook icon on my screen. A menu will appear with the option to remove app. If I hold longer, a minus sign will pop up. Tap the minus icon, and it will ask if I want to remove Facebook. I'll just hit delete app and confirm, and just like that, the app is gone. But here's something to keep in mind: certain apps can't be deleted this way. For example, if I press and hold the phone app at the bottom of the screen, I can choose remove app, but there's no option to delete it completely. Apple's default apps, like phone or messages, cannot be fully removed from the device, though you can move them out of sight by removing them from the home screen. If you're having trouble deleting a third-party app, the issue could be in your settings. Head to the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on Screen Time. This is often where restrictions are set that prevent app deletions. Under Content and Privacy Restrictions, check if deleting apps is allowed. If it's set to Don't Allow, you'll be blocked from deleting apps. You can simply turn off this restriction to regain the ability to remove apps from your phone. Another way to delete apps is through iPhone storage. In this section, you'll see a full list of all apps installed on your phone. Tap on an app, and you can hit delete app to remove it completely. However, system apps like Photos cannot be deleted, although you can move them into the app library if you prefer not to see them on your home screen. I hope this helps. If it did, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. It really supports the channel. Thanks for watching.